Weekly.
Tidal wave.
This is what it's like to have a brother. Getting ready to go out. I don't know what we're doing today, but I think the high is like 80 or 82 degrees at the most. So it's gonna be a beautiful day. But yeah, so far the trip has been so wholesome and just really nice. So I'm excited.
So it's a 4 or 5? This is fun. 5. 5? I'm good. We're playing. Oh.
Really good.
Nice! None of us are gonna win.
I know, we need more grade.
It's a tie.
Okay.
What's up?
I just got pooped on by a seagull. It's literally so nice outside. I feel like it's just very healing to be here, honestly. Really peaceful, really quiet. I'm really grateful that my family could go on this trip and have a nice time together and re-energize ourselves from life. I'm craving something sweet, so thanks. We are on a mission to get something sweet for me. I am craving. Let's go. What should I get? Man, that's speaking to me. Cookies! So we came back and my sweet craving just vanished when we got there. I've never had Dot's pretzels, but apparently it's really good. My family's laughing at me. I've never had Dot's pretzels though, and apparently, I've heard they're really good, so I'm gonna give it a try. Does it focus? I can't tell. I was expecting it to be more savory, but it's kind of like more cheese flavor. Alright, so it's another day. Right now, my family's getting ready to go kayaking. I love kayaking. I don't know what it is, but it's just like, it's so fun to me. I don't know what else we're gonna do today, but we're definitely kayaking, so I'm excited. Oh my gosh.
So this is a boy horseshoe crab, and you can tell he's a boy because he's got these claws up front here. They're called boxer claws. They're really friendly. They don't bite or pinch or anything. Anybody can give him a little pat on the shell. That might be a little easier there. Yeah. Go for him. He'll be okay.
How nice, how beautiful it is today.
The seafood down here is really good.
Yeah.
The food here is good.
Solid meal. I feel like I could take a nap now.
I could go get some. Should I go get it? It's 2 minutes.
It's gonna get cold and stuff, you know?
It's okay.
Wait, this.
The big ones you always take first. Take this one always first because it's like that. And then the second one is the one at the end. So the one at the end, take out. See? And you just get those two. And then this is where all the meat is. You got the gist of it?
think.
The shrimp is really good. On that.
Frustrating. Still on my first crab. Seafood's not really for me sometimes. Is this correct?
Yeah.
And where the balls are, you want to separate the.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna take the one.
Wait, those are the balls.
Yeah. Look.
Don't worry, the balls are foreign. They're encased in it.
I don't think that helps.
You don't have to say it.
All the organs and gonads right there. Brain is right there. And then save that for later. And then that's it.
Okay, thanks.
A lot more manual, huh?
Yeah. 잘 먹겠습니다.
쟤는 주스 안 먹어? 친구? 트라이 해봐. 맛있어.
It's good. I need it.
I just like the texture.
Very texture sensitive.
That's where he gets it.
It's not even mushy. Just try it. Make me happy. Please.
She's gonna curse me if I don't eat it.
그래서 먹어봐. 맛있고 왜 맛이 없다 그래? 자는?
I don't like it.
참나.
참나?
I'm not a morning person.
Me too.
What happens to this family?
Yeah, we're not breakfast people.
I had two.
Yeah, okay.
I had two.
This is my second one.
That's good enough.
What did you have?
What are you, the pancake police?
I only have
Yeah.
one or
I had a bagel, okay?
zero.
Zero.
You're so sour.
I know, it is sour.
No wonder he didn't eat any.
Can't you squeeze it?
They don't cook.
또 먹고 나니까 다 이상한 사람. Please.
Can you brush your teeth?
I did.
Just why?
What are you trying to do? Huh?
He's trying to make a monkey sound.
Monkey? That doesn't sound like monkey.
Yeah.
Monkey is like it.
We know where Robert gets his stuff from.
He's the same. Wait. Robert, it's okay. It's not that bad.
It's like mocking me.
Christian, we need your engineering brain.
Dude, this thing, I put wet sand as a base to cement it. It keeps moving. How do I secure it? I put wet sand on the base. I mean, it was, I don't know, it was okay.
Wait, what is this? This tastes good. Kona?
기훈이 형 이름 없게 부르잖아. 채갈비. 근데 갈비만 먹는 거야. 갈비만 좋아해가지고.
So they don't have to cook.